Good morning mga idol. Naglalaga lang ko ng palinda ko Ilog po ko Shout out Marvin Janit Bauson. Kuya James Vlog, shout out. Romulo Manawis Garcia Jr., shout out. Angel Sweet, shout out. Yung dalawang apo ko si John Jojin, Maria Josephine, shout out. Yung binata ko, si John Jonathan. Eddie Quinto Jr., shout out. Jong Uson, shout out. Billy Jordan Franco, shout out. Sombagol Salasiao, shout out. Tintin Roca, shout out. Tintin. Eddie Quinto Jr., shout out. Boss Arturo Artirao, shout out. Boss Maricar Bocao, shout out. Ma'am Ibiscar, shout out. Ma'am Maris Delpin, shout out. Ma'am Irene Aquino, shout out. Jans Montemayor, shout out. Tanggol Labasan Siak, shout out. Christian Pibrio, Jeffrey Pibrio Azores, shout out. Cardona Compound Louis Pangi Cancino, shout out. Habang naglalaga, kapi-kapi tayo nga pala. Giancarlo Quinto, Benjim Rabot, shout out. MD Quinto, shout out. Mang Frederick Ramirez Diaz, shout out. Joan, shout out. Renz Bautista, shout out. Boss Eric, shout out. Jong Uson, shout out. See you na may gagawin pa ako